Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 14. In this lesson, we're going to be using counting on a make 10 strategy when counting across a 10. So looking at this, we have 19 plus 3 that we're going to be solving today. So, looking at this, we have a few strategies that we're going to be using. We are going to first draw a picture to help us see this represented a little bit differently. So we're going to draw 19, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then we're going to add 3 to it. So 1. Oh, this made a new 10. 2, 3. So now we can see it's 10, 20, 21, 22. Okay, so now another strategy that we can use is the make 10 strategy. Now, the make 10 strategy is that what we're going to do is that we're trying to make this 19 to be a new 10. So we know that we're going to look at this 9. We know that 9 only needs one more to make a new 10. So that greedy 9 is going to go to that 3 and say, hey, 3, can I have 1? And the 3 is going to say, well, since you're bigger than me, I'm going to let you have it. And so that greedy 9 is going to take 1. So it can make a new 10. So it's not going to actually make 10. It's going to make a new 10. So the next 10. So 19, if we added one more to it, it would be 19, 20. So we know that it would be 20. So then that 3 gave 1 away. So now that 3 is now 2. So now we just added that 19 plus 1 to give us 20. Now we're going to add our 20 and our 2 together. Well, we know that 22 is 22. So 20 plus 2 equals 22. So 20 plus 2 equals 22. So now we know that 19 plus 3 equals 22. Now the last strategy that I want to show you all is the arrow strategy. So that this the arrow strategy is something that you kind of do in your brain. Okay, so first thing that you do in the arrow strategy is that you figure out, okay, how many more does 19 need to have to go to its next 10? Well, I know that 19 only needs one more to go to the next 10. So if I had one more 19, I know it'd become 20. Okay, so I just added 1 to that 19 and make 20. Now I know there's 2 left of that 3. So I'm going to add 2 more to that 20. So 20 plus 2 equals 22. Okay? And then if you look, that plus 1 and that plus 2, whenever you know that 1 plus 2 equals 3, which is what you were adding to that 19. Now, this strategy right here is a little bit harder because it's something that you're having to do in your brain instead of being able to do a whole bunch of work on your paper and better visually see it. So that is the arrow way. And we know that 22 has 2 10s, 2 1s. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.